You're gonna need help now.
By big, I mean bigger than the usual, but it's disintegrating.
This takes a while to recognize. You look like you're about to take off.
It does, but it's jiggling, but
I'm going to grind down this connector and...
did we ever say that did anything?
I know that's what I did the other week for the nose
You look like you're taking off. You're taking off.
The fact that it works fine. Did you kill my pole? That was my favorite pole.
What?
It was a sky
You're
pole,
doing
and
too
now
much
it's a
damping
ground
on it.
pole. My pole! You're not using the designated drill hole? You have drill holes all over the place. This is a terrible organization.
You made me think. There's this guy that I was watching when we first started Space Engineers. I was watching some of his, and that was his big thing. He's like, I don't want the drill on the ice. I like it the way it looks flat. I was like, what? The ice is right there next to you. You're gonna literally fly 10 minutes away to get ice when you got ice right there next to you.
It's the idea of freshly fallen snow, like on the deck or whatever, and then like the kids or the dog or whatever run out there and start making a giant mess.
Or a new jar of peanut butter.
You're killing my pristinality! I'm so pissed I'm making up words to describe it. What's amusing about Nose Puppy is when it gets up to the 20, 25, almost 30% of its inventory, it actually can't get out of its 45-degree angles into the ice without the hydrogen thrusters.
Oh.
It's too heavy, otherwise. We got interior plates. Do we not have? What's the bold say? Interior plates, we got 16. Alright, let me queue some up here.
Okay.
Walking by the hall over here, looking at the long list of stuff that's damaged, and there's something on Buttlescut that's damaged. Planet Express, there's like a long list, and there's a couple things on Pelican, Fred, solar panel, da 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 da. What?
Flying through the welders, man. That might repair it. It seems to be stuck on a hill near the base.
Oh yeah?
Is that hill overlooking our ultimate demise?
No. It's about 4 kilometers from me.
Fleeing rivals are pretty trivial, I think.
Well, yeah, they're a company that's been contracted out that
Right.
runs, builds and all that.
Hold on.
So.
There's 2 of them. There's 2 of them.
Like, Who wrote it? You wrote it. Okay. All right. So you make that. Yes, I do. Okay, it's your problem.
Nuh-uh.
I've never had so many people back out their desk cubicles and looking. That was fun. I was like, yep, that's right. I just came in here, this young guy, y'all older people, just saying, hey.
And Nose Puppy already took a little bit of damage. I didn't have my guns on.
No.
They forgot to turn them off or something.
He does.
It's just like minor damage to like
Guns?
stuff.
That's kind of counterproductive.
I'm sure I could defeat a drone by standing around looking mean. Oh, this is your Fred shit, is it?
It is.
Oh, I see you there. Yeah, dude, you would be a bug on my windshield if I didn't see where you are. I can only see your player designation when I'm close.
Do the whole drag it back to the cliff face.
Nah, no, we're gonna just beat its ass right here.
Let's beat it fast.
Kill it.
Jeremy's terms for it's a lot worse than you think, and we're going to need time to get another ship.
Not the drone. Who cares about the drone?
Out. Damn its interior plate.
Nope, that's a big one.
There's a big one.
I turned my guns off. I was like, yeah, we don't need to worry about this one. No, it's the big one.
You need help now.
By big, I mean bigger than usual, but it's disintegrating.
Oh, damage it too much.
There you go.
You want its parts. Give it parts to
Alright, guns on. Alright.
4 reactors. Nice.
Yeah. I mean, I'm gonna pick the whole thing up, but, you know, the big chunk, but just not gonna be able to pick up like
I
little.
got 3 uranium.
Oh, yeah!
Oh
uranium.
yeah.
It's still worth it.
I probably have more uranium on this ship on my reactors than all the drones we're ever gonna pull. Gonna be honest.
Probably. It was just fun. Oh snap! I was in the wreckage.
Oh, sorry. Alright, well, I'm gonna pull this one back then.
Alright then.
Anything else down there?
Nah.
No.
Just armor plate.
They have a nice shade of purple on the inside of this. These drone guys have real good taste.
Alright. Why can't I build ships like that?
Not enough
Not
purple,
cool.
I guess. Alright, let's get out of here before we pull another drone.
Okay.
Here we go.
2's good.
Down there.
Yeah, I had to add 4 more upward thrusters to it, and I didn't even add anything left and right, so it's like just kind of all over the place.
You know what would add to your house design is if you had like a bunch of really colorful balloon blocks above it?
So little
Meeting of
time
the
to use them.
minds.
I mean, there's really a part of me that just wants to lawn dart it at this point.
I
Don't
can help
do
you with that. I'm in the right ship to help
Firing.
you.
What are you doing?
Who the fuck is shooting?
Who's shooting?
Oh, there's.
Oh. Mingler 1 is
hell
attacking
yeah.
you.
Damn it! Ah.
The auto turret wrecked the crap out of this drone.
And Nose Puppy.
Oh.
Does anyone have
No.
any... Mingler 1's guns might be on, I don't know.
Yeah, they are. That's what
Yeah.
shot it.
Okay, well...
You want me to turn them off?
Yes,
I'll go
please.
turn them off.
A metallic personality?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Predator.
Who's shooting?
That's me. I'm giving my ship that other look.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm all up for shooting things.
It's like, no. If you want to shoot some things, I can shoot too. I have a fucking gun.
What's funny is that I repair the armor, but the holes stay. So
That's kind of awesome.
Yeah, same on Nose Puppy over here. I'm missing little pieces of armor. I don't even know idea where the
Here
jars
after a
are.
while.
So can I shoot a smiley
they
face?
do actually. They do end up.
Oh, you took my idea. It's like Lethal Weapon.
There you go. There's a smiley face.
Have a nice day. Whoa.
Fuck. There's a smiley face.
Have a nice day. Whoa.
Fuck. Just...
What was that?
I'll fix it. Nothing
What kind
happened.
of derpy smiley face is that?
Nothing happened. I just thought this panel needed an upgrade.
This house has been in a few drive-bys, I see.
Yes. Pay no heed to the spot that definitely did not get shot and replaced with the wrong texture. I'm leaving now. Bye. Mission
probably-
accomplished.
Really, the house flies like a house, right?
Yeah.
Well,
What
you're
if
trying to
I-
guard it anyway.
Could I hide in your house and shoot from your house? Stay off my property! Alright, so I think we generally had the collective idea. We are finally going to go ahead and take out the medium drone base that's way over yonder because of reasons. So we're all kind of arming up right now, putting armor on various ships, and gonna give it a go.
Shoot him. He's giving away the plan.
I will tell them exactly what our plan is. You cannot stop me. Ah! The only reason I was suggesting you take iCarly into combat is just so you can actually get some licks in with the thing. So I'm half expecting with your track record with iCarly is while we're killing their base, they're gonna have a drone fly by and drop a fat chocobo like on top of the thing or something.
Well, I could. It's just terrible in an atmosphere. Is why I don't take
Oh,
it.
okay, gotcha. I've dive bombed into something before. Gone up against.
I remember we did that.
before.
What was the ship you were flying? Was it Javelin, and we were just like running head on into each other, like high speed crashes?
I don't know. If it wasn't Mingler 1, it should have been. I mean, nothing's more satisfying than having giant ships do that. You should have to do like a sumo match with just Mingler 1s. Like have just.
I remember we did that
circle.
Slappy and Mingler 1 in a friggin' head-on collision. That was dumb.
Should do that again. Tug is ready just in case we get into problems. I got my other ship. I'll take Mingler 1 to the border. Then we'll launch from there. And so, Olmec, Jason, you got a ship you're bringing?
Yep, I got one.
And Rob, you're bringing the house?
Give me a minute. I'm actually. I probably can. Yeah.
Alright. That line, Jason, I'll get you next time, Gadget.
I'll get you next time. Gadget.
That's it!
That's way
That's the
too
voice! My hole!